Meteorologist Carly Smith is here now with the very latest. Carly.
Yeah, we're going to start with the impacts here locally. Yes, there will be some local impacts. Now, we're not expecting a direct landfall at this point in time based on the current forecast, but we are expecting some rain. So we do have a weather impact alert for heavy rainfall, tropical downpours Thursday evening through Friday morning. So be ready for heavy rain. There is a flooding risk. There is a low chance for tropical storm force winds if there is a southern shift in the track, but right now it is expected to stay to our north. What you need to do is, have some rain gear ready, drive safe. Now, most of this rain will be overnight, so that's a good thing. But if you do have to drive overnight, this is when the rain can also be the most dangerous. Also, just in case, especially in northern counties, just in case, you may want to secure yard furniture, things that could blow around in 40-mile-per-hour winds, right? So here's the latest radar image and cone stacked on top of each other. So you do see rain racing out ahead of the storm. We may even see a little bit of rain here earlier than Thursday evening. That'll be worth keeping an eye on as well. There is a risk of severe weather across southeast Texas right now with these bands racing out ahead of Bertha. Right now, 45-mile-per-hour winds sustained, so it has weakened from yesterday. It did make landfall there into southern Louisiana, south of New Orleans. And so right now, the center of Bertha is 25 miles southeast of New Orleans, Louisiana, and it is going to continue to be tracking west. The biggest change, and we'll go into more detail on this in just a few minutes, but the biggest change is the speed. Bertha is moving faster. It's moving west at 7 miles per hour. That has the forecast cone getting to Texas earlier. That has the center of Bertha by Thursday afternoon, close to Galveston, skirting along the Texas-Louisiana border, but the rain arriving for us south of the cone. So remember, impacts from tropical systems can and do extend outside of the cone. And our biggest impact is going to be the potential for some heavy rainfall and flooding potential. Right now, the forecast calling for about 1 inch to 3, possibly 4 inches of rainfall, mostly from Corpus Christi south into portions of Jim Hogg County. But that does include areas like Kingsville, Falfurrias, possibly Alice as well. And again, this could still shift a little north, a little south. So it's something we will keep tracking. And I'll show you the latest timeline with future coming up in our complete forecast. Leslie, Mike.